Hello, today I have a Razer laptop, RAZER. There's no markings on this one, but I do know it's a Razer RZ09-01962E52. Basically, this computer has two fans in it, and one of them is making tons of noise, or was making tons of noise. So when the customer came in the first time with this, I disconnected the fan. So it looks like it's Torx. It's probably going to be T5. So there's a Phillips screw there. The rest are Torx. So obviously the customer or somebody replaced that one at some point. He's trying to hurry. The customer's coming back. That screwdriver tip is not very magnetized. So I'm gonna kill some time. I'll take this out of the package, put on my grounding strap. Now hopefully we're a little more magnetized. That's tight. Alright. Not too shabby. So it's this fan here because that's the one that's unplugged. I might pull this down closer to the work so you can see it. Right. Finding it really hard to focus the camera. So this fan has a little ribbon cable that goes into this ZIF socket. It has 3 screws, I think. Yeah. When I look at the new one, there's a screw there that's kind of hidden by the tape. And then this little bracket connects the two fans together, and then that screw. So I'm going to swap over to a small Phillips. A very small Phillips. Yeah. Figure I need to take this whole bracket out. Come on, buddy. There we go. And then that screw there. Okay. Okay, that's out. I'm going to pop that ribbon cable in while this is loose. Okay, that was easier than I expected. And plop that bracket back in place. Okay, that's that. I'll put the back back on. I'm just going to brush this off. Okay, that all feels right. Ooh, let me zoom back out. Okay, so this is the old fan. Boots up straight away. I'm gonna go to user benchmark. And I'm just gonna run a benchmark to get the CPU fan going. I don't hear the fan at all. We haven't really warmed up the CPU. I'm gonna download the Intel burn test. Come on. What is Intel burn test? No, put it down. Okay, Intel burn test. Right, so temperatures. Do we have fans on here? Voltages, levels, Razer. So memory, graphics, temperature. There's no fan. That's okay. You see the temperature's getting very hot. It was getting very hot. 97 is the max, but now it's cooled and then jumped back up. Alright, well, I can hear the fans running. That was my goal. So I'm going to stop the test. And the fan's nice and quiet. So that was a success. Thanks for watching.